first ever YouTube video. We are going to create a no makeup look for the summer season. Let's get started. We are going to begin with a toner. This is by Love Earth Collagen Booster Toner. We're going to use a moisturizer. This is from Bioderma Autoderm Creme Ultra. This is great for dry skin and for the summer season. Next step is a primer, which is from Faces Canada. I'm going to use it only on the areas where I get a lot of sweat and to cover the pores. Now we're going to go in with a concealer. This is by L'Oreal in the shade 314 Beige.
I'm only going to use this in the areas where I have a darkness, around the eyes, around the nose, lip area, and to cover a little bit of pigmentation around my cheeks and my hair.
Now with the damp beauty blender, let's blend it out. Next, we are going to take this foundation from Maybelline Superstay. This is in the shade 125. We're going to take very little foundation because it's a no makeup look. We don't need full coverage and this foundation is pretty sheer. I'm taking this foundation brush from PAC in the number 224. I actually don't need a lot of foundation because the concealer has done its job. I'm going to blend out the excess product with the beauty blender. As you can see, I have used very little foundation, but it still doesn't match my neck, so I need a little bit of product here as well. Since it's a no makeup look, we need very little of every product. Only cover the pigmentation and scars. This is the same foundation brush. It also has a concealer brush on the other end. PAC 224. This is from Tarte in the shade Fairlight Neutral. I use this to highlight my under eyes. Now I'm going to set my face with this powder from Makeup Studio. Let's take this powder on a powder puff and then press it on our hands and then place it under the eyes. I'm not going to bake exactly, we're just setting it under my eyes, around my nose. Using this brush from PAC in the number 001 to dust off all the excess. You can see the difference how my crease line under the eyes have disappeared. So I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from Sugar in the dark brown shade and just filling in the gaps of my eyebrows. And then with a spoolie, we're going to brush this off. Now the eyebrows are done, we'll start up with the eyes. I'm taking this pencil from Plum eye pencil. It's actually a kajal, black kajal. We're not going to apply it under the lower waterline. Instead, we'll apply it on the top waterline. And look at the difference in both eyes. This instantly makes the eyes look bigger and defines the shape of your eyelashes. Now I'm going to take a nude kajal. This is from Recode. I'm only going to use it around the corners, not taking it into the inner corners. Now using this eyelash curler from Vega to curl my lashes. It's very important to have an eyelash curler when you are trying to do a no makeup look, because you won't be using a lot of mascara or false lashes, so go get one. Now I'm going to contour my face a little bit. This contour is from Benefit Hoola. The brush I used for contouring my face is from Beautylicious in the number F107 from Muse's range. Now for contouring my nose, I have this brush from Beautylicious in the number E01 from Muse's range. I need to highlight the bridge of the nose also. I'm using this concealer from Maybelline in the shade 01 Light. I'm gonna blend this with a small beauty blender. It does make a difference. Now I'm taking this blush from Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, and going in with it very lightly. I do put it sometimes on my forehead and under the chin for that sun-kissed effect. It's time to put on some highlighter. I'm using this highlighter from Smashbox. This brush is from Beautylicious in the range Muses number F108. You can see that shine. We are not going to use a lot, just to add a little bit of natural glow. Only using it on the high points of my cheeks. I'm also going to put a little bit under the eyebrows. Time for lipstick. Now I'm going to take a lip liner from K Beauty. This is in the shade, I can't find the shade number right now. I'll mention it in the description box. Using this lipstick from Maybelline in the shade 15 Peachy. I love this nude pink. How beautiful this lip color is. Using this makeup fixer from Recode. It's called Prep Set Glow. This lip gloss is from Love Earth called Gloss It Up in the shade Love Magnet. It also has a little bit of shimmer. Here is the completed look. I'll just set my hair and be back. I did a quick ponytail, high ponytail. I took a section from here and pinned it up behind and took all the remaining hair and tied up in a ponytail. It's pretty quick and simple. I think it looks pretty nice. You can see this makeup from up close too. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. If you really liked watching this and like my makeup, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for supporting me. Thanks for watching. Bye.